Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some object I wanna create today. So let me show you the object. Okay, today we gonna learn how to make it this object. You can call it a pizza cutter. Okay, I think we all know this object. Okay, so let's make it. Follow me guys. Alright guys, let's make it. First you have to click a file and new, and choose a hybrid design, and you can choose millimeters for the units and create new. Okay, plus the last step. Okay, start making a sketch from the front plane or the front view. Make it line to the up, 50 to the left, 300 and 175 to the left, and start fillet 25 and also fillet right here 25. Okay, like that. And I'm gonna trim this line. I'm gonna make it a new one, 175 like that, and just make it line right here, 100 down, and make it some curve with a 3-point arc from here to this point. Okay, like that. Just connect it and finish it. And let's go to extrude. Make it 50, and the operation is new components and enter. Okay, and then let's start to fillet this edge and also this. Okay, make it 25 and enter. Okay, next we have to make it the sketch right here. So we're gonna make it with offset plane. Make it the distance for the plane is -25 like that, and just click the orange plane and press L to make it sketch. Okay, like that. Start to make it. Okay, let me find the centers. Okay, so this is the center. Okay, I'm gonna make it 50 to the left like that, and I'm gonna make it some curve like before. I'm gonna make it about 50. Okay, like that. 55. Okay. Okay, like that. How about 67? Yeah, I think 67 is enough. And the offset down, make it a -10. Yeah, -10, and just make it some with a 3-point arc. Okay, just like that. Okay, I make it line like this. Connect it. Okay, like that. Line again. and make it a circle. Okay, make it 15 and just trim like that. Okay, mistake. Okay, you have it, and just extrude these states. Okay, extrude with two sides. To the left is 5 and to the right is 5, but the operation is doing like that. Okay, we check it. Okay, it's already doing like that. And then I'm gonna make it a fresco for this face and also this face. Okay, I'm gonna make it bigger. Okay, like that. Make it a 5 offset faces. Okay, like that. So with this face, and I'm gonna make it circle. Make it 170. Thing 180. Enter and finish it. And extrude guys. Make it with new components and extrude about 20 millimeters and enter. And I'm gonna move. Okay, like that. And just with you have to camfer this edge and this edge. Also make it 10. Okay, to make it like that. Simple and easy. So I'm gonna start to make it the holes. The hole right here. Make it 10 for the holes. And just start it through. Okay, like that. So later we have to join this one to this one. Okay. So we can just use assembly and join this part right here. Okay, like that. And then we can make it a fold. I'm gonna make it the motion is revolve, so they can make it some rotation like that. And okay, but first I'm gonna modify this part. Make it a circle, but make it like 120 for the circle. Make it circle and make it circle again right here. Just make it a 10 and also down. Make it right here is 10 also, and create a center rectangle right here, 10 and 10, and also on the left side, right here, 10 and 10. Okay, and just finish it. I'm just gonna extrude the rectangle and the circle, make it -3. Okay, just like that. So the last one, we have to make it the mold to lock the mechanism of this part. Okay, so make it right here. Press L and click that orange flag and make it the fold. Okay, I'm gonna make it 15 for diameters and extrude. Just make it 5. Operation is a new components. This is the plot, okay? And then this will gonna be 99.9. I'm gonna make it to make it the tolerance. Okay, I'm gonna make it 35 and just relay this one, just 5. Okay, and let's go do it. Join this phone to lock in this part. The motion is rigid and set up the positioning. Okay, just like that and enter. Okay, we already make it like that. I'm gonna make it some relay right here, guys. Okay, just like that, make it 5, and also right here, make it 5. Okay, relay also this one. Okay, 4 is okay. Okay, we finish the part or the pizzacutters, and let's start to make it or to play animate for the pizzacutters, just like that. Okay guys, the last one, I'm gonna make it the appearance. I'm gonna add the colors on this object, okay? Let's go modify and appearance. I'm gonna make it this red. Okay. This one is black right here and red right here. Okay guys, I already make it or add the colors for these pizza characters, so it's finished guys. Okay guys, I already make it the colors or add the colors on this product or this object. So thank you for watching my video. I see you on the next video. Okay, bye bye.